Hello friends, I think I'm live right now. So if you are watching this live and gives a thumbs up so that I will know that I am live. So I will start talking about the networking. So today I am going to talk about why you need to start with networking. So before starting this video, I would like to make a formal disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor. Do your obliged research before starting or doing any networking opportunity, because there is always risk involved while doing any networking opportunity. So only invest what you can afford to lose, recover your investment as soon as possible, and play with the profit, and never invest mortgage loan or never take any loan to invest in any networking opportunity. So only invest what your pocket allow and start doing networking and recover your all investment and play with the profit. So as the disclaimer is done, so now I am going to start. So first of all, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night to everybody who is watching my video throughout the world. So today in this video I am going to talk about why you need to get involved into the networking. We all have some dreams, we all works on our vision, and we used to find a way to make more and more income which can make us stable and grow ourselves so that we can build our future and give a good fortune to our children's and our next generation. So we all work on that. For that, some people choose different ways. Some people choose jobs, some people choose business, some people choose online marketing, some people choose networking. So you have many options to choose your way. There is nothing to wrong in doing any work, because each works feed you. So you should respect all the work. But apart from that, if you are involved in any type of job or work or business, you also need to start networking, because once you start doing networking, you get lots of opportunity which you can't imagine that what it can bring in your life. So and most of the people who might be watching this video are into the networking, and they are already knowing the power of networking, because on other places people do not help you to grow. You need to struggle yourself, and you need to grow. And the other people who are into the work or job or in the business with you, they will always try to make you down. And the difference in networking is that each people in the networking want you to grow. They will help you to grow, and they will support you in each and every field. So this is the major difference. And many of the times people start with some company and start doing online work, but either they earn very little amount or very big amount. The one thing you need to do is you need to take action, because if you are getting involved into the online networking market, either you are investing with the money, or doing without investment of any business, you need to work on that business, because you are building a business, and building a business take time. So once you are building a business, you need to give your time, give your work, and you need to respect your work. And once you start respecting your work will start paying you. You need to start helping your members, giving good time to your members, and responding to your members, so that your member will learn that you are actually present for them while they need them. So With passage of time, you can build trust among the members who are watching you, who is working with you, and they start believing in you, and they start taking action in the field of networking. So most of the time when you see people that working in online, I normally get lots of messages from the member that, sir, I cannot share this business on Facebook, on WhatsApp or Insta, because friends in my zone or friends in my circle will what they will think, what the hell he is doing. So my simple question is, don't think about those friends or family members, because they are not going to come and feed you. They are not going to pay your bills. So you are here to build your own business. So surround yourself with the people who are on the same path, on the same vision. So once you start surrounding yourself with the same vision personality, you will see change is happening in your circle. Your thinking will start growing, and you will start achieving your dreams day by day, slowly by slowly. Because slowly you will achieve your dreams and win the race. So it's better to start taking action. Don't think about what people will say or what people will think. So give them a very good reason to think about yourself. Give them a very good word that they will start talking about yourself in behind you. Because tomorrow they are not coming in front of you because of your success. And they are going to talk good things about you because you had got involved in the networking. So this is the power which change people's life in just 1 year. So people making fortune in just 1 year, and people I had seen working for 20, 40 years in jobs can't imagine that success or that fortunes of life even in 40 or 60 years. So if you want to get retired within your 40, you need to start networking. Start sharing your business, start sharing your success. It doesn't matter how much earning you are doing or how much growth you are going through. Every cent counts, because there are many people all around the world who had never earned a single cent in online, and you are the luckiest persons or the best persons that you are earning few dollars, few $100. So you are chosen one among thousands of people who are special, who can help people to grow in online and make money in online, and guide more and more people and help more and more people to grow their wealth. So you can start building your network, start coming on Facebook Live, and start doing your business through Facebook, through mobile, because your mobile is in your pocket, will make you money. We always have heard that money do not grow on tree, but we had never taught that money can grow on mobile, money can grow in laptop. But how to learn that? If we will learn the technique, the process, the system to make money on the mobile, to make money on the laptop, on the PC, on the Windows, you will get amazed. You will be financially free. You don't need to go and work anywhere. Right now, my monthly investment is more than the salary of my more of the friends. I'm not going telling this to hurt them, but most of those people has personally told me to start doing jobs. But now their monthly salary is quite less if I consider my investment in my all online business, and I'm making good money, and soon I will make quite very big huge amount of money that they cannot expect that they can ever earn that much amount of money even in 20 to 50 years. So you need to take action and start building your network. Either you had started any networking opportunity, what you need to do, You start sharing your business, start showing the business to your friends, family members, to strangers. More than your friends and family, strangers will trust you and start to work with you and start to do business with you. So start sharing the business with the strangers. The more stranger you know, go and start talking with the stranger. Tell them that you are doing an online business and which is changing your life, which is making you money without doing anything. Ask the people, do you know anybody who want to make more money than last year and without doing extra, giving extra time? And those people will get amazed that those person are me. I am also looking for a way to make money without giving extra time while sitting at my home. So they will ask you how to get involved into those business. Then show them your account, show them your earning, that this is the process, that this is the company which is quite stable, sustainable, and you can start with me and earn like me. And you, if you share this business, help more people, you will earn more. And those people will also help you to grow your network. And the bigger your network will grow, the bigger earning you will achieve. So start sharing your business, start doing networking in online, and make everyone get amazed and give the your hater a good word to talk behind you, because the more depression you go while doing networking, we have faced all those situations and we know how people talk behind us. And now we are happy that we are giving them a very good thought that let's start talking behind us and we will show you how success we are. You can't imagine what we are doing here and how we are building this business little by little, day by day, which is changing not only my life, which is also helping to people so many places all around the world to change their life and start building passive income all around the world. Once you get a message from a people or a member from different country, different place, that sir, just because of you I had earned a single dollar. I had got a message and I cried that day. A person from different state called me and said me, sir, I was trying from last 8 to 9 years to earn single dollar in online and I had never earned any money, and just because of you I started earning few dollars. That was the story 3 years before, once when I got that call. That made me think that this is the blessing that I am getting, the trust of that people, that they are struggling for 8 to 9 years and not had made any money. But you are here, you are earning money. So you are going to show them the way that it is possible for you to start earning money with very little effort in online. What you need to do, you need to how to start, what are the requirements you need to do. So people, most of the people don't know how to use Bitcoin, how to buy Bitcoin, why they need Bitcoin. So start sharing this business, start talking about the Bitcoin, because this is the power Satoshi has given you, that if you know about Bitcoin, you can change anybody's life. And not only you will earn thousand, ten thousands of dollars, you will help people to earn their thousands and ten thousands of dollars in their life, and that will give you a more big blessing in your life. So start sharing this business, start talking about the business, start helping people to make their wallet, start helping people to buy the Bitcoin, start helping people to introduce to the business where they can use their Bitcoin to grow each and every day. There are lots of opportunity in online where you can grow your money. So you cannot grow your money on tree, but you can grow your money on mobile, you can grow your money on laptop, on your PC. So start doing this every day. And most of the people is doing this and traveling all around the world. So you can also start doing this. So, and if anybody have any issue regarding getting started, what they need to do, how they will start building online business, they can contact me also, or they can contact the person who has shared this video with them, because those person who had shared this video with you, they are making money. So you can ask them how they had made money and what are the things they are doing to building their online business, and how they are earning daily without raising a single finger in online. Many people working together with me or without me in online are making money each and every day because they had learned how to grow their money. So instead of working for money, start mm, growing your money, keep your money work for you. That is the biggest change, because since the childhood we had been taught, go to the school, learn, get educated, and find some job and struggle for your life, get married, and survive your life. That is the normal education that every parent gives to all the children. But you need to come out of the box and start thinking about the thing that success people are doing, and start following the leaders, find the mentors who is doing something good and achieving something bigger in online, so that you can not only change your life, you will help people to change their life also. So this is the opportunity right now to start building the network, because right now the COVID-19 has affected lots of people. People are losing their jobs and they are finding a way to earn money, and you have the opportunity to share your business. Start sharing. If you are working in Bytex, start sharing Bytex network. If you are working in Parivar, start sharing Parivar network. If you are working in mirror trading, start sharing mirror trading. If you are working in Bit Accelerate, start sharing the Bit Accelerate. Any business you are involved, start sharing that business. If you are even if you are doing trading on the Binance or Bytex or Wajirex or Geotex, start talking about how you are making daily percentage of 1%, 2%, 10% also on the trading. And if you have very good skill of trading, you can teach people, teach them how to start working online, and they will start loving you just because you are helping them to grow. Because in this world, nobody else is helping others to achieve what they need to do. So you have a pleasure that you know that someone else is not knowing right now. Till now, only 0.4% people all around the world knows about this blockchain technology. And you are among all those people who knows this blockchain technology, who knows Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin, how to use Bitcoin, where to transfer Bitcoin, how to receive money in Bitcoin, how to grow money into the Bitcoin. So you are knowing all this technology. So start loving your knowledge. Start respecting your skills, and start sharing these skills to people. Let's say them they are using bank, they are losing money. Each bank is robbing each people each and every year. Everybody is using banks, so tell them to stop using bank. Instead of using bank, they can start using cryptocurrency. They will not save only money, they will also help them to grow their money. So it's the future, and those who are knowing it is building it and growing each and every day. So start doing networking, start sharing your business, and don't get shy while sharing with business, or don't get negative that someone had said something to you that you are doing this shit thing. In Bytex network, a leader was working 13 years in other networking company, and people were talking shit about him. And one day, 13 years before, he was talked with the people on the petrol pump. That guy told him, are you still doing that shit networking? He said yes. After 13 years, he started Bytex network, and he again gone on that same petrol pump, and the same guy talked with him, are you still doing the networking? And that city thing. The guy replied, yes, I started a new opportunity where I'm thinking my vision can be achieved in few months only. And that person made a very big joke on him. And after 3 months of joining Biotex, one of friend was driving a very good luxury car, and he was sitting beside him, and he gone on the same petrol pump, and that person's again met while filling the petrol, and he asked them, are you still doing the networking? Look, you are sitting behind someone else's car. The person replied, the card that you are seeing has been given by the opportunity of the networking that I started, and the person who is sitting me is working with me, and he is also generating good passive income. I told you need to get started with me. And that day he got shocked. And he also said that not only this car, I have 4 cars more at my home. He is millionaire now in just 4 months. This is the story that networking can provide to anybody. So you can start building such type of your story and show the people. Once you start building your network, your people, once you start building your team, you will start growing your wealth. Not only your wealth will grow, your team wealth will grow, and each and every members will start working. So tomorrow I will come once again, and tomorrow I will talk about one passive income, because there you can grow your earning. And this is a formal today networking sessions I was trying to do, so that people will know what networking can provide to people. And if you have any question regarding how to get started in online and how you will start making money in online, how to buy Bitcoin or how to open a Bitcoin account, or how you will grow your money with your mobile or desktop or laptop, you can inbox me or inbox the person who had shared this video with you, and start making passive income online with us. And always remember, there is always risk involved, and the biggest risk is not taking any risk. So it's better to grow with taking risk instead of not growing without taking risk. So it's your life, your choice, decision you own. Take care. Bye bye. Good night. God bless.